New design for local canoes. Simple and safer. Cheap to make, easy to modify. This is a project of the Regional Center of Expertise, RCE Minna. This documentary is introducing a new and simple design for our local canoes in Nigeria and beyond. It is inspired by designs used in other parts of the world that have proven to be safer and easier to adopt and adapt to our local rural context. The aim of this project by the Regional Center Expertise RCE Minna is to reduce the risks associated with canoe transportation. It therefore also claims to save lives and properties lost mainly due to the poor safety design of our local canoes. This documentary, therefore, focuses on proposing a better alternative. Local canoes have been synonymous with loss of lives when they capsize. Adults, children, pregnant and nursing mothers, foods, market goods, and other properties. This is due to the poor, unstable design of our traditional canoes. Most people can't swim, and those who can may not be able to save the lives of others. Lost goods and properties in deep waters are difficult and dangerous to reclaim. For example, drowned motorcycles, sacks of grains, and the canoe itself. Soaking in water destroys dry foodstuffs if they are not lost completely. There is an increase in fear and concern for security and safety that affects economic, social, and political activities that involves crossing of our waters. Strong winds or open waters, flooding, and rough waves all increase the risks of boats and canoe capsizing. Overloading of canoes is also another factor. With the introduction of life jackets, it was believed some of this risk will be largely reduced. However, their high cost, unavailability, cultural infringements, and poor use have all hindered the effectiveness of these life jackets. Our proposed solution is inspired by the catamaran traditional design of canoes and boats in other parts of the world, such as South India. The localized innovation is a cheap and easy to fix attachment on an existing canoe. It is also open to further improvisation. Materials needed: 1 or more planks of wood or long stick or pole depending on size of the canoe. 2 or more empty jerrycans or kegs of approximately 25 liters or any other clothing material. Rubber or ropes with which to attach the jerrycans to the planks. The planks will in turn be attached to the canoe. When all materials are attached, the frame is simply nailed to the center of the canoe to give better balance. New design for local canoes. Simple and safer. Cheap to make, easy to modify. Thank you.